Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming the Cellecor model and Android version. This matters because menu names vary. Once done, make sure battery is above 20% and any basic network toggles haven't been disabled. Next, open Settings and go directly to Network and Internet or Connections. You're looking for Airplane Mode or Flight Mode toggle. Tap it to turn off. If the toggle is grayed out, don't stop. Move to the next troubleshooting steps to regain control. If the simple toggle didn't work, press and hold the Quick Settings flight tile to jump to the detailed control panel. If it's unresponsive, reboot into safe mode so you can tell whether a third-party app is blocking the change. In safe mode, toggle flight mode off. If it works, uninstall recent apps. If not, go to Settings System Reset Options and perform Reset Network Settings. This restores Wi-Fi, mobile data, and Bluetooth profiles without erasing media. Finally, reboot the phone normally and confirm voice, SMS, and data connect. Make sure system firmware and carrier settings are up to date. Updates often fix radio bugs. If flight mode persists, back up your data and perform a factory reset as a last resort. Quick troubleshooting tip. If flight mode stays enabled after a reset, test a different SIM. Persistent lock implies firmware or hardware fault. Contact Cellecor support or a qualified repair center for a reflash or hardware diagnosis.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.